this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. In this video, I will demonstrate how to process a physical inventory, often referred to as a cycle count, on the Hexagon EAM mobile offline app. To process a physical inventory on the app, the record must be created and assigned to the applicable employee from the desktop. For more information on how to create a physical inventory, please reference the video on the importance of physical inventories in Hexagon EAM. As you can see on my screen, I created a physical inventory for a series of bins in my central store. The important thing to remember is the assign to. You must assign the record to the applicable employee. As long as the employee record is associated to the user will have access to the record on the mobile offline app. Now, let's jump over to the app and take a look. I am logged in to the EAM mobile offline app as the user associated with the employee the physical inventory is assigned to. From the menu, you'll want to navigate to the physical inventory screen, then tap on the physical inventory to view the list of parts. You'll notice a few options available in the top right corner of your screen. First, you can search for a record based on part number, description, bin, or even asset ID. You can adjust the sort order. Currently, my parts are sorted ascending by bin. And if you're using barcodes, you could tap on the barcode icon to activate the camera to scan a barcode. For each part included in the physical inventory, you'll want to tap in the physical quantity field and enter the quantity, then save. I encourage you to enter a physical quantity for each record, regardless if the physical quantity is 0. This will ensure that the physical inventory is recorded for the part. Now here I have an example of a track by asset part, and you'll notice an action button. This is the same list of actions that are available for track by asset parts on the desktop app. So you'll want to continue entering a physical quantity for each part. Then once you're done, go ahead and sync data. So from the menu, you'll want to tap Sync Data. This will sync the physical quantities to the desktop application. From there, the physical inventory status can be updated accordingly. I hope you found this useful as we talked about processing a physical inventory on the mobile offline app. Hope you have a great day.